Viewers, there is a powerful human impulse called shame that is usually powered by a sense of elevated morality. When, however, individuals lose their moral compass, they become shameless, they become unscrupulous. At which point, only an act of God or a nudge from the law can knock a sense of shame-induced contrition back into the fallen, the tainted. And something like this transpired in Mumbai today, viewers, when the Bombay High Court finally forced the state's Home Minister Anil Deshmukh to relinquish his position as the head of the Law and Order Division of the government. Had it not been for the court, for the High Court no less, the Aghadi government led by Uddhav Thackeray would have brazened out what the courts called an unheard of and unprecedented situation where the state's own Home Minister was accused of calling upon his deputies in uniform to allegedly extort money on his and his party, the NCP's behalf. Viewers may recall that this channel, your channel, Times Now, had reported that former Mumbai Police Commissioner Parambir Singh had alleged that his putative boss and the state's Home Minister Anil Deshmukh ran an alleged 100 crore rupees extortion or Vasuli racket. In fact, he had made this complaint to the Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray, the Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar, and also the virtual grandfather of the Aghadi, Sharad Pawar, the avuncular head, the patriarch, call him what you want to. But viewers, before we proceed, let me read to you the scathing observations of the Bombay High Court today. Let me read out what the judge said. He said, unheard of and unprecedented that the minister could be so openly accused of wrongdoings. He said, unprecedented that the minister is accused of corrupt practices by none other than a senior police officer. The information furnished therein discloses commission of cognizable offences by Shri Deshmukh. The court said, in our prima facie view, offences should have been acted upon in the manner required by the Criminal Procedure Code. Well, viewers, directions required for facilitating unbiased, impartial, fair, but effective probe so that the truth is unearthed. Now, the directions never came, viewers. They were supposed to have come from the Chief Minister of the state. Never came. So the court now has to hand over this case perforce to the Central Bureau of Investigation. And it says, why? Because here Deshmukh is the Home Minister. The police department is under his control and direction. It's obvious. How can the police that reports to the Home Minister investigate the Home Minister? Therefore, there can be no fair, impartial, unbiased and untainted probe if same were entrusted to the state police. Viewers, it is so logical at one level. But it was never regarded with an open mind. And that is what worries. The court goes on to say, as of necessity, the probe has to be entrusted to an independent agency like the Central Bureau of Investigation. The directions for the probe have also been given, viewers. And even the state police has been questioned. So it's not as if Parambir Singh walks out looking like a saint. Even he has been questioned, and this is what was said about the police by the court. If you can just, Nizam bhai, press the continued button. Quickly, we'll get to that point. Yes. So the directions for the CBI probe is, once inquiry is complete, CBI director be at the discretion to decide further course of action. But the state police has been questioned. Police, by not registering an FIR on receipt of Dr. Patil's complaint, have not acted like D.R. Patil's complaint, have not acted in accordance with the law. So viewers, all around, big problems. But there are more fundamental questions, and I don't want to waste too much time on what the BJP has said today or what the NCP is saying in its defense. The BJP, in very short, has said, if Deshmukh has gone, then how can individuals above him who are known, who were in the know, allegedly, of his crimes, of his alleged crimes, not also step down because they did nothing? And also, of course, viewers, the NCP has come out and said, we back our man. He's innocent. Well, the question is, why has he been replaced? So whichever way you look at it, viewers, whichever way you cut this, the Aghadi of Uddhav Thackeray is not looking good. And I want to open this up. I want to first bring in Dr. Anand Ranganathan, Ishkaran Bhandari. Before I open this up, Dr. Anand Ranganathan, what do you make of this? Times Now, of course, reported this story on what was turning out to be a lazy Saturday, but it exploded onto the scene. We were the only channel with Parambir's letter, and look where it's led us, because the questions we asked were stonewalled. The public has been made to believe that everything was okay. Anil Deshmukh acted in an enlightened sense of propriety, but look at what the court is saying. Doctor.
Yeah, good evening, Rahul. You know, a hafta is a long time in politics, because of which Deshmukh is now staring at a lockup instead of a lockdown. But this much is clear. This is the tip of the iceberg. What floats underneath the ocean would probably never be discovered. Please remember that the Maharashtra Home Minister had resigned because of one case, the Parambir Singh letter that accused him of orchestrating the hafta wasuli from bars and restaurants, and that you brought out, through Sachin Vaze. And that too, only after the High Court put a stamp on the CBI investigating this matter. We haven't even come to the other more shocking cases. I know, Rahul, it sounds surreal that someone is thinking there could be even more shocking cases than a Home Minister allegedly orchestrating 100 crore per month extortion racket, but there are. And they involve the police and the underworld and terror organizations. First, the police. The police appointment and transfer scam that Fadnavis brought out was in the know of this very Home Minister. No one is asking or investigating him in this. The prima facie concrete evidence, screened by none other than the DG, validated by none other than the DGP, forwarded to none other than this Home Minister, and seen by none other than the Chief Minister, was consigned to a dustbin and the whistleblower transferred. We aren't talking of just one or two corrupt officers here, Rahul, but potentially hundreds of them, if not thousands. And this very terror Home Minister knew this and did nothing. Second, and this is the most crucial of all in my opinion, the terror angle. Rahul, Times Now had broken a story on February 28 this year of the terror outfit Jaish-ul-Hind's hand in the Antilla bomb planting. Jaish-ul is the same organization that took responsibility for a low-intensity blast outside the Israeli embassy a couple of months ago. Could it be the case that Vaze were in cahoots with this organization? And if true, did Anil Deshmukh know of it? We are talking of a terror organization here, and it is imperative that the NIA investigate this till the very end. So as I said, unless we find out what floats underneath the ocean, we'll never be able to step this rot.
Well, I couldn't disagree with you at all, Dr. Anand Ranganathan. I think that what you've said today sums it up very neatly. And before I bring in the political spokespeople, I want to bring in Ishkaran Bhandari, because Ishkaran, you're a man of the law, and I want you to explain how can the Aghadi government today make a clear distinction between their own Home Minister and the Chief Minister and the Deputy Chief Minister, who were also apprised of the alleged follies of the Home Minister. Can an iron curtain like this be drawn?
Rahul, first let us put out the chronology of facts, and then I'll put on the law. Fact is, when the explosive-laden SUV was found outside the home of a leading industrialist, immediately they tried to spin it a case of a cross-border terrorism. It is only later, when it was raised, that Sachin Vaze, a serving police officer, was arrested by NIA. And we need to remember the facts that initially the government and its spokespeople tried to protect him. That fact we forget after a month. We cannot forget that. After that, it climbed upwards to the police commissioner, who was transferred, and this Home Minister had said that is not a routine transfer. That also a fact we cannot forget. And thirdly, when it came to this Home Minister, the leading lights of the state government came out, did press conferences saying he was in COVID quarantine and that he was not meeting anybody. They tried to defend it on the full front. Unfortunately for them, after the High Court has passed an order, and that's an order that prima facie there is enough for CBI to investigate the Home Minister in an extortion racket. I repeat, it starts from terrorism, it goes to extortion. All the 90s movies of Bombay, from drugs to Dubai to Dons, seem to have come together here and are playing out on national television and have the sanctity prima facie of the Honorable High Court believing an investigation needs to be done into this. So at this stage, these people were saying it will stop not even at the Assistant Police Commissioner. So I see nothing to say why it will stop at the Home Minister, because every 5-10 days, like you broke the news on Saturday, something new comes and the case keeps on escalating from a lowly sub-inspector to the Home Minister and maybe higher, because the higher authorities were defending it on the front foot, had not removed him on day one and have been forced to remove him after the High Court order.
Okay, let me bring in Shailesh Pandey, Shiv Sena supporter, also with us, Nupur Sharma, national spokesperson, the Bharatiya Janata Party. Let's bring them into this. Shailesh Pandey साहब, हाई कोर्ट ये कहती है, हाई कोर्ट कहती है कि प्रिमा फैसाए उनकी नज़रिया में ये जो ऑफेंस कमिट किए गए हैं इनके ऊपर कानूनी कार्रवाई क्रिमिनल सीआरपीसी यानी सीआरपीसी के नीचे, क्रिमिनल प्रोसीजर कोड के नीचे करनी चाहिए थी, मगर आप तो ये देशमुख साहब को तो बचा रहे थे। ये क्या चक्कर है सर? आपके उस्ताद लोग सरकार में जो बैठे हैं, फ्रॉम चीफ मिनिस्टर, डेप्यूटी चीफ मिनिस्टर, वो तो इनको क्लीन चिट दे रहे थे और कोर्ट कुछ और कह रही है। कोर्ट कह रही है कि इन लोगों को मुस्लिमों के जैसे ट्रीट करना था
जी।
तो आज की डेट में हम उद्धव ठाकरे और अजीत पवार साहब उनका इस्तीफा क्यों नहीं मांग सकते? Should we not demand their resignation also for trying to suppress what was an unprecedented and unheard of situation?
राहुल जी देखिए, ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है। जहाँ तक बात देशमुख जी की है तो उनके विषय पे तो ऑलरेडी आघाड़ी सरकार ने एक रिटायर्ड जज के से वो जांच कराने के लिए आघाड़ी सरकार ने जांच दे ही दिया था। चलिए, लेकिन आज जो भी कुछ हुआ है उसके लिए है जो हाई कोर्ट ने ऑर्डर दिया है उसका सभी सम्मान करते हैं और उसका सम्मान करते हुए ही स्वयं स्फूर्ति से गृह मंत्री देशमुख ने स्वयं
नहीं, मैं आपसे सवाल पूछ रहा हूं सर, ये तो सब ठीक है। ये देखिए, प्लेटिट्यूडनेस जवाब ना दीजिएगा। आई अंडरस्टैंड बड़ी बड़ी बातें कहना कि भाई हमने ये लगा दिया, इंक्वायरी बना दी और हम तो स्वीकार करते हैं। स्वीकार तो सर आप सिर्फ लेटर में कर रहे हैं, स्पिरिट में तो नहीं कर रहे। अगर स्पिरिट में कर रहे होते तो आज उद्धव ठाकरे चुपचाप से अपना रेजिग्नेशन देके बोलते कि भाई गलती हो गई, हम एक दोषी को, अलेज दोषी को बचाने की कोशिश में लगे हुए थे, सॉरी जनता जी, सॉरी, गलती की हमने, और जब तक इन लोगों का क्लियरेंस सर्टिफिकेट नहीं आता इन्वेस्टिगेटिव एजेंसी, तब तक मैं अपना सीट त्याग कर रहा हूं। उनको भी ओपीएस टाइप कोई लीडर मिल जाता जिनके हवाले वो अपनी गद्दी दे देते। मगर मैं आपसे आज पूछ रहा हूं, हाई कोर्ट नो लेस हैज टोल्ड यू go off. You guys have tried to suppress a case and blocked the facilitation of an unbiased, impartial, fair, effective probe.
तो मैंने पहले ही कहा कि
ये तो जुल्म है।
हाई कोर्ट के ऑर्डर आने के पहले ही आघाड़ी सरकार ने स्वयं देशमुख की जांच रिटायर्ड जज से करने के लिए
ये जुडिशियल प्रोब तो था नहीं सर,
और जांच चालू
नहीं। कोई कौन जज साहब तो आपने बिठा दिया, मगर जज साहब किसके पास जाते? नहीं, एक मिनट, आप समझ नहीं रहे या आप जानबूझ के समझने की कोशिश नहीं कर रहे मिस्टर पांडे। द जज वुड हैव रिलाइड ऑन द पुलिस वुड बी इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग, द जज कैन इन्वेस्टिगेट दिस मैटर। नाउ 1 minute, द सेम पुलिस दैट वुड हैव बीन रिपोर्टिंग टू देशमुख, ये क्या जोक बना रखा आपने? What kind of joke is this?
देखिए दूसरी नहीं ये तो सीधी सीधी बात है कि हर बात के लिए मुख्यमंत्री जवाबदार है, ऐसा नहीं होता है। जो
अच्छा?
जिस डिपार्टमेंट का विषय होता है वही डिपार्टमेंट के मंत्री, वही डिपार्टमेंट के अधिकारी उस चीज के
आपकी शिवसेना, आपके कांग्रेस एलाय, आपकी एनसीपी तो वहां से चीफ मिनिस्टर से, कर्नाटका के चीफ मिनिस्टर से हिसाब मांगते हैं हर रोज। तो आपके चीफ मिनिस्टर से हिसाब नहीं माना जा सकता। सर मैं आपसे सवाल पूछ रहा हूं इन ऑल ऑनेस्टी, एनी व्यूअर विल आस्क यू दिस क्वेश्चन, कोई ज्यादा बुद्धि की जरूरत नहीं है।
से आप हिसाब मांग सकते हैं, लेकिन आप हमेशा जब देखो तब बोलेंगे चीफ मिनिस्टर इस्तीफा दे, ये तो अच्छी बात नहीं है। तो
भाई सर मैंने तो नहीं कहा है, कोर्ट क्या कह रहा है। देखिए
जब देखो
देखिए इन पैरामाउंट पब्लिक इंटरेस्ट एंड इंडिपेंडेंट प्रोब वुड मीट द एंड ऑफ जस्टिस। इंडिपेंडेंट प्रोब तो कोर्ट कहता है सिर्फ सीबीआई कर सकता है, आपका जज भी नहीं कर सकता। तो आपने जज को भी बिठाया, बेचारा उनका भी टाइम बर्बाद किया, उनको भी स्केपगोट बना दिया, खुद आपने जो करना था वो भी नहीं किया। आज आपको कोर्ट कह रहे हैं कि एक अनबायस्ड इन्वेस्टिगेशन सिर्फ सीबीआई कर सकता है। तो आप देख रहे हैं कितने लेवल पे आपका एकदम एक्सपोजर हो गया है।
मुझे बताइए पुलवामा में हमला हुआ, अभी छत्तीसगढ़ में नक्सलियों ने इतना बड़ा हमला किया,
तो आप शाह साहब का रेजिग्नेशन नहीं मान रहे। यू आर नॉट आस्किंग फॉर शाह's resignation, you have been asking for that your own anyhow.
प्रधानमंत्री को इस्तीफा नहीं देना चाहिए।
Look Mr. Pandey, you are looking very silly because today it is the court that has held you, no one second, it's the court that has held you sir in dereliction of your duty by the public, no one else, it's the court, it's the court. And आप अपना वो जो है ना, you know, you can keep diverting the attention away and keep quoting other stuff, but the point is it's the court that has held you. It is the court that is adjudicated, it is the court that has said sir that you were not trying to prosecute what was a unheard of and unprecedented situation. Nupur Sharma wants to come in. Nupur Sharma, the Shiv Sena says, why are we always being asked questions? Why is Uddhav Thackeray always being asked questions? The BJP should apply the same yardstick to its own leaders. Your response?
Well, it was a controversy, rather conspiracy, Rahul, which was just waiting to implode in the face of. Can I just?
पांडे साहब बात करने दीजिए मैडम को। आपको सिर्फ सर दूसरे लोगों के you only find faults in other people. You've got to look within. Now 1 minute, Mr. Pandey, let Nupur Sharma also respond to you. Let Nupur Sharma respond to you. Show some courtesy.
उनकी जो हत्याएं हुई है, क्रूरतम हत्याएं हुई है, वो शहीद हुए हमारे लिए, देश की रक्षा के लिए।
वैसे तो जब 76 सीआरपीएफ के जवान शहीद किए गए थे, तो जिन लोगों ने जलसा बनाया था उसका जेएनयू के अंदर, आपके साथ ही वहां जाके उनका समर्थन भी करके आए थे। मैं प्लीज, can I just Rahul, I don't want to scream over the
Nupur Sharma, go ahead.
Why the police put his fader down? It's my sincere request.
Okay, Pandey, I'm going to have to lower your fader because you're just yakking on and not listening. Please, let's put his fader down.
Please.
Yes, he's not going to listen. This is not the way. Nupur Sharma, respond.
Those people who have those people who are up in arms with people who have called acts like Pulwama as an act of homegrown terrorists, giving an outright certificate to terrorist organizations, less I said the better about them. They really have no moral high ground to speak right now. Secondly, you know, it was just a controversy, rather a conspiracy waiting to implode in the face of MVA. Why else were they actually dragging their feet and handing over the murder case of Mansukh Hiren to the NIA, a case closely linked to gelatin sticks being found outside Antala? Secondly, you know, it's interesting, the committee that they formed under Home Minister Mr. Deshmukh, the MVA, was a single judge committee, not formed under the Commission of Inquiry Act. How very convenient. And thirdly, you know, the fact that Sachin Vaze's luxury cars are being exposed day in, day out by NIA, what all has been found from the water body, it is interesting that these people are saying, why should we seek the resignation of the Chief Minister? Was it not the CM Uddhav Thackeray who was pressurizing then Chief Minister Mr. Fadnavis ji in 2018 that then political worker Sachin Waze should be reinstated.
Well,
somebody who's under suspension is working like a spokesman of Shiv Sena is being preferred and favored by Mr. Uddhav Thackeray. He is pressurizing the CM of 2018 Fadnavis ji to reinstate him. He gets a promotion out of turn.
Well, something very wrong.
There is a committee formed not under the Commission of Inquiry Act. Obviously, there's a lot murky
Yes,
which is not meeting
prima
the eye.
facie, there
A
looks
lot
to be an
needs
attempt to cover up.
answered. Fact
Prima
is,
facie.
they would not have given to CBI.
Okay, let me open
Yeah,
this
they
up.
would not have
1
given
second.
it to CBI
Mr.
if it
Pandey,
wasn't
please
the
keep
court's
quiet for 30
intervention.
seconds. Mr. Pandey, please. Please maintain decorum. Don't speak over other people. This is not right. Thoda sabhya kariye. Relax. 1 minute. Let me open this up. Let me bring in Ashutosh Mishra and Chetan Singh. 1 second. Ashutosh Mishra, let me ask you, sir. You have read perhaps what the High Court has said. I hope you have. I'm asking you, will the Congress party today that has asked for the resignation and succeeded in procuring the resignation of Jharkiroli in the sex CD case in Karnataka today apply the same yardstick and call upon Uddhav Thackeray and Deputy Chief Minister Mr. Pawar, Ajit Pawar, to step down? And tell me why, sir, the two cases are different? Why is it that you also ask, sir, for the resignation of the Chief Minister of Karnataka and are not applying the same principle as the Congress party in Maharashtra? Simple question.
So, the same Honorable Bombay High Court has also observed that such issues, and it concerns the same lady, are being raised to gain cheap publicity and have little merit. So that is point number one. And BJP talking of honesty and corruption is like devil quoting the scripture.
Two wrongs don't make a right, Mr. Mishra.
From Rafael
Mr. Mishra, it doesn't make... No, two wrongs don't make a right. You need to answer the question. Are you today disputing the court when the court said, here Deshmukh is the Home Minister, the police department is under his control and direction, there can be no fair, impartial, unbiased and untainted probe. If the same were entrusted to the state police, as of necessity, the probe has to be entrusted to an independent agency like the CBI. Why do you believe Uddhav Thackeray was refusing to give CBI the case? If not to cover up.
If I agree with this line of argument is accepted, then logically follow this view, then Modi ji should also resign, because Rafale and Scania and so many other scams cannot be
where is the court? Where is the court who has come out and said that Modi ji has... No, 1 second. To paraphrase you, where is the court, sir? What kind of logic are you using? Here is a court. The court has observed. You show me one observation where the court has stepped in the Rafale affair and said exactly this in the context of the Rafale deal. I mean, Mr. Mishra...
No. Rather, the court said there was no corruption. 1 second.
Envelope.
No.
No, the order is for everyone to read. It's not in an envelope.
Rahul Gandhi was almost
Mr.
held in
Mishra.
contempt. Allow me.
You cannot have this in a democracy
wait.
that people are not
Mr.
aware
Mishra,
of the facts on basis of
Mr.
which
Mishra,
case is
maybe
being
you
decided.
want to be pulled up by the
So
Honorable
what is
Supreme Court like
happening here?
Rahul Gandhi was. Whereas the court said in the Rafale judgment there was any corruption. Rather, they said the tendering and the contracting was in line with the prescribed procedure. No, don't become a Rahul Gandhi. Don't do a Rahul Gandhi 2.0 of 2019. He was almost pulled up for contempt of the Honorable Supreme Court. Which court judgment has said there was corruption in the Rafale? No. Which court of India has said that there was corruption in the Rafale procurement? You take your words back, otherwise it's an absolute contempt. I will register the strongest possible objection here. Mr. Mishra, God knows what kind of journalist you are. I certainly know you don't know the law. I am now doubting your journalism also. Nowhere in this country, any court of law has said there was any kind of corruption in the procurement of the Rafale jets. And rather, your lie is perhaps the reason why Mr. Rahul Gandhi, your favorite leader, who you're a sycophant of, was pulled up almost for contempt of court. For criminal contempt of court. Don't scream.
Let me step in. Let me step in. Viewers, 1 minute. Let me just step in here. 1 second. Look at the absurdity here. 1 second, Mr. Mishra. Your mission is today wrong. Let me tell you, you're mixing up issues deliberately and you're dangerously in contempt of the Supreme Court. You are suggesting that the Supreme Court, and this is very, 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 very very serious that the Supreme Court has not applied its mind in the Rafale case.
that
Now,
is
let
not
me tell you, Mr. Mishra,
No,
you're
Mr.
skating
Chairman,
very,
that is not
very
true.
close to that
I
thin
never
line,
said that.
which sees a large
I
number
never
of
said that.
individuals,
I said
when the
that the
court is
court
in a
decides
more
on the
benevolent
basis of
mood,
facts
standing in a
before it.
corner, serving out a 4-hour contempt sentence. So don't become a condemned.
Mr.
No, one
Shivshankar,
second, Mr. Mishra.
Mr. Shivshankar,
Are you
you are
suggesting
twisting
that
my words.
anywhere the Supreme
You are
Court
twisting my
impugned?
words.
No,
What
one
I
second,
said
impugned
was that the
the
Supreme
Prime
Court
Minister.
decides
Can you
on the
tell me
basis of
where?
facts.
Can
And
you
what
tell
was
me
the
where?
facts that were presented before it are not known to public.
Oh, there you go. So the Supreme
only
Court
decides on the basis
has
of
not
facts.
opened. Now, 1 minute. Let me open this up.
It decides
Ishkaran
on
Bhandari,
facts.
man of
And
law,
what about the facts?
Dr. Ranganathan.
Sealed envelopes were handed
Rahul,
over to the Honorable
it is-
Supreme Court.
Yes. How shocking. Mr. Mishra is suggesting that
High
the Supreme
security
Court's
information is not
justice
cheap.
colluded
Yes.
with the
That you can
NDA
sell it off
government.
to Pakistan.
And
Sir,
Rahul,
you might be in contempt, sir, right now. I warn you, any one of our viewers will file a case against you and you will have a problem. The government gave the details of the Rafale deal to the Supreme Court in a sealed envelope for the Supreme Court to consider.
Yes.
The envelope would have been opened. The matter would have been considered, and only after that, as we all know, the Supreme Court viewers pronounced judgment
Yes.
and let off Mr. Modi. What Mr. Mishra has said today is unpardonable. I don't know, in the interest of
Rahul.
free speech, what he is saying, we disassociate very quickly as times now.
Mr.
And I personally, as an
why
anchor
don't you
from what he has
say
said,
that why don't you
but
allow
he
people
might
to
actually be
say-
ending up in a
Why don't you
corner
repeat
in
what
one
I
of the
say?
Supreme Court's
What were the facts
hallowed
presented before the
corridors,
Supreme Court?
serving out a 2.5, 3 or 4 hour punishment, if of course the Supreme Court chooses to be that benevolent. Very quickly, Ishkaran Bhandari.
Yes. Rahul, Ashutosh is wrong on facts, wrong on law, and usual wrong on common sense also. Please let him know the fact that in this case, he was quoting in the High Court also earlier, the High Court said people have come for publicity. When the commissioner goes as an affected party, that becomes a materially different case. So he slyly tried to cast aspersions on the High Court and then directly casted aspersions on the Supreme Court in the Rafale.
Yeah, that
Because
was the
these
High
people
Court.
cannot
You
accept
don't know
the
that was the
verdicts of the
High Court
court.
observation.
That is the
Number one.
problem. They
Number
do not
two,
want to
what
accept
did
the verdict
the
of the
High Court
court.
tell
The
Paramveer
court
Singh?
was
Why
extremely
didn't you
clear
file
in
an
Rafale,
FIR?
and the
So
court
let's
is
not mix
equally
up facts
extremely
and
clear
try to
in
give
this
a spin to
Paramveer Singh
something which
versus
is not
Anil
there.
Deshmukh case
The court
that prima
always
facie
decides on facts, and
investigation
that's
has
what I'm saying
to.
about Rafale also.
Don't
What were the
interject. I didn't
facts that
interject
were
when you were
presented
speaking
before the
lies
Supreme
throughout.
Court?
You
We
were
do not know.
throughout speaking lies. You were throughout wrong on facts. You were throughout wrong on law. I still did not interrupt you.
Think that you are the only,
could not be more
Okay,
wrong
gentlemen,
than you are.
let me just very quickly step in here for the purposes of our viewers. Chetan Singh is listening. Chetan Singh,
All these lies
here are
must
4
be countered
reasons.
right now.
Here are 4 reasons that the
Absolutely
BJP
doing here.
has claimed
This is wrong.
are necessary why Uddhav Thackeray needs to step down. Paramveer Singh, the transferred former Mumbai police chief, claimed that the chief minister was apprised of alleged Vasuli gate. Number 1, the chief minister is head of the government that faces the Vasuli charge, and under him, the High Court has pointed out that a fair probe could not have been conducted. Number 3, ex-SIT chief named CM as a facilitator of postings for money. Serious. 4, SIT report on transfer for money was not acted upon. Then why should not the Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray also step aside? Mr. Singh, Chetan Singh.
See, Rahul, we all know that from last 18 months, this is the song which these Jumla people, Jumla party and all are singing, that Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray must step down. This is what we have been noticing. So what I'd like to tell them at this given point of time, he is going to be get recorded in the books of history because he stood so many persecutions. We have seen that recently Sushant Singh Rajput, now Paramveer Singh, and variety of other, we have seen it what exactly has happened. But every time he was put into pressure, he has evolved. Every time he has evolved, and this Mahaghati government has become more strong. So therefore, I don't think so.
Think about this, viewers.
Now the point
I'm bringing in Dr. Ranganathan. We're not going to waste much time with Chetan Singh, who is completely.
Just give me 20 more seconds. Just give me 20 more seconds. Rahul, you have given a lot of time to these people. I did not intervene.
Well, they
anywhere.
took your
Just give me
time,
20
sir,
more
by
seconds. Let's
shouting
talk
over each
about Anil
other.
Deshmukh. See, Anil Deshmukh, he is the first man. He was the first man. He was the first man to take the action on Paramveer Singh. Therefore, Paramveer Singh went down to Supreme Court. There is nothing supreme than Supreme Court. Supreme Court directed to the High Court. Therefore, Ishkaran Bhanda is also going to
It
talk
doesn't
about
matter. The High Court today is standing. No, 1 second. Is prima facie standing in judgment saying that the information furnished by Paramveer Singh discloses commission of cognizable offences by Shri Deshmukh? Can you believe what the High Court has said? That prima facie, they disclose the charges, disclose the commission of a cognizable offence by Shri Deshmukh in a prima facie view. Offences should have been acted upon in the manner required by the Criminal Procedure Code, but nothing like this happened. In fact, this entire matter was sought to be scuppered, handed over to some judge to do an inquiry, which would have labored on and on and on and on. And viewers, we would have had the possibility of a cover-up. Dr. Ranganathan, very quickly, for our viewers tuning in, 3 takeaways from your side.
Yes, number one, I'm astonished that Chetan is saying that Mr. Uday Thackeray has evolved. I thought it was Rahul Gandhi who was constantly evolving. अब उदय ठाकरे भी evolve हो रहे हैं. डार्विन का भूत क्या कहेगा? And number two, आशुतोष जी, मैं आपकी कदर करता हूं, लेकिन आप please as a free speech absolutist, I stand with you. But the Supreme Court will possibly.
Does Rahul Gandhi comes in your dream?
नहीं, अब आप interrupt नहीं कर सकते. No, this is wrong.
You every time see
No, please.
Rahul Gandhi everywhere.
Now, Chetan, you know, this
I'm
is.
just asking you.
How can you be a lawyer?
It seems like he comes
If I wait, I don't. You ask for 20 seconds.
Chetan Singh, please, let's not get so parochial.
Are you so much?
You know,
Let him finish. I asked him to sum up.
Unbelievable.
That's all.
500 करोड़ का मेकओवर देखा था 2014 में.
Okay.
मतलब Chetan-
Okay. Doctor, finish your points. I'm running out of time. Yes.
Yes, so but आशुतोष जी
यहाँ पर जुमले
Yes, आशुतोष जी 1 रुपया
Okay,
जरूर
lower his
रखिएगा.
fader.
Contempt
Yes.
of court आप पे लगने
problems
वाला
in this country.
है. And number 3, Rahul, let's yes. Yeah.
Yes.
I mean, yeah, thank you. Rahul, you have to accept the fact that cutting across political parties, the last politician who resigned on moral grounds, believe it or not, was in the last century. It was L.K. Advani. After that, there have been thousands of demands on thousands of politicians cutting across party lines to resign in the face of corruption allegations or worse. No one has resigned. But is politics now, when you see the Shiv Sena person now doing whataboutery, saying that in the wake of Pulwama attack, Narendra Modi should have resigned. When you see Ashutosh ji saying that because some left-wing rag has come up with some arcane, alleged bribe taking after the Rafales were purchased, Narendra Modi should resign. Supreme Court has already adjudicated on the matter. Do you trust the Supreme Court, or do you
Clearly
trust
they
some
don't.
arcane French
Clearly they don't.
publication?
Clearly they don't. I'm taking a very short break. When we are back, viewers, we are back to a story that has shaken the nation. Stay with us.